Hey guys, it's me, Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York with my friend Neil, and we have an awesome car to share with you. We're both wearing blues, so I guess we're the Blues Brothers. But guys, got some awesome car we're going to share with you. So before that, just like and share this video, hit those comments down below, tell me where you're from, tell me if you had a beautiful car like this. I owned actually one of them in Daytona Blue, and I had a 2000 fixed roof coupe in black, just fixing my collar here. But check out my other videos. It's about 400 videos of classic cars, muscle cars, classic European cars, and then some. But we're going to share with you this awesome car. This car is for sale. Again, guys, hit that subscribe button on the right hand side. Leave any comments down below. Hit that like button so the algorithms go up, so anybody who wants a car like this, they can get it. So guys, let's check this out. So my friend Neil here has this beautiful 2002 Millenium Yellow Z06 with 19,000 miles, guys. This car is flawless. It was bought out of Kentucky. It was a one-owner car, dealer serviced. Like I said, only 19,000 miles. And it's like brand new. Car is garage. There's the garage it stays in. And we'll open it up and you can see it. There it is, all stock, all original. Got an Optimum battery in it. The Optimum battery is awesome, matches the valve covers. Chrome rims. Z06 badging. 405 horsepower, guys. This car does over 200 miles an hour. It's got the billet aluminum antenna. Heads-up display, 6-speed, black interior, Z06, guys. Millenium Yellow. There is nothing better than a car like this. These cars right now, guys, are appreciating every single day. The C5s are growing in value. He's asking $52,000 for the car. You guys can comment down below and reach me. Well, if you want to call Neil, his direct phone number is
917-797-5873.
Again, say it again.
917-797-5873.
So you can call Neil direct. Again, he's asking $52,000 for the car. You want to start her up? Is that a factory exhaust on here? Or was that changed?
I don't know.
I also got the chrome inserts on the back here. There we go. Comfortable cars too, guys. These cars are very comfortable.
A lot of room.
Sounds good. Guys, 2002 Millenium Yellow Corvette, 19,000 miles, guys. This car is flawless. It is for sale. Not a nick, not a scratch, not a nothing. Asking $52,000. Call Neil direct. Now you guys can't feel it.
Cold AC, baby.
Cold AC.
All day long.
90 degrees here in New York. Car's like brand new, guys. So guys, like and share this video. Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. Check out my other videos. 2002 Corvette Z06, 405 horsepower, pushing over 200 miles an hour. It's for sale. Like and share my videos. Please subscribe. Hit that right button. Hit that button on the right hand side. And leave any comments down below. Thank you so much. Talk to you later.